Next question. In a certain country, the probability of more than 10 centimeter of rain on any particular day is 0.18. You came across information, so write it down. It's given as P of rain more than 10 centimeters is 0.18. Okay, now independently of the weather on any other day. A1. Find the probability that in any randomly chosen 7-day period more than 2 days have more than 10 centimeter of rain. It's independent. You should get the idea of using binomial distribution. Okay. So what is n here? The 7-day period will be n. And what you need to find? More than 2, so R is P of R greater than 2 you need to find out. Okay. And binomial distribution formula is NCR P power R 1 minus P power n minus R. We have n. What is the P that you will take? Is more than 10 centimeter of rain. So this you will take for P. Clear? Now, R is greater than 2 means what all values will R take? R greater than 2 means values of R will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get many values for R. So to decrease the values for R, what we can do is 1 minus P of, write opposite of this statement. R greater than 2, now write R less than 2. Here you don't have equal to, here equal to should be kept. Clear? Now how many values will R take for this one? So now R less than or equal to 2 means values of R now will be 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So that is nothing but 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. Okay. Now, we should apply the formula for each and add. So when R is 0, replace in this. R is 0, N is 7 and P is 0.18. So what do I get? 7C0 into P power R. P is 0.18. 18 power R is 0 into 1 minus P power n minus R. So 7 minus 0 plus. Now for P of 1, 7C1 into 0.18 power 1 into 1 minus 0.18 power 7 minus 1 plus. Now for R is 2, 7C2 into 0.18 power 2 into 1 minus 0.18 power 7 minus 2. Okay. Now 1 minus. Carefully put this entire thing in the calculator. All at once. If all at once you couldn't put means, first put this, you will get some answer. Then use answer plus this one. Then you will get answer again. Then that answer plus this one. So that you will get it to be some answer. Subtract that from 1. So you will get the answer to be 0.115. You should get. Okay. Put this plus you will get some answer plus this one plus this one. And finally you do 1 minus this answer should give you this one. Clear? Okay.